Today we have a Samsung dryer. The customer complaint is that it's making squealing and thumping sounds. First thing to do is verify the complaint. We need to replace the dryer rollers. Before starting, always unplug the dryer. With a putty knife about 5 inches in on either side, push in while pulling up with the other hand. With the lid up, release the twist ties holding the wires tight and undo the wire harness connecting the UI to the wires. Remove 3 Phillips head screws along the top of the front panel. I use a magnetic tray to organize all my hardware. There are 3 more screws to remove on the front panel. Be aware of these 2 tension tabs. Before completely removing the front, you'll have to undo the wire harness for the door switch. Lift up and out and then put the front face of the machine to the side. Next, remove the 4 bulkhead screws and the 1 on the blower housing. You have to release the wire harness to the moisture sensor. When removing the bulkhead, lift up and out. You may have to put one hand lifting up on the drum to get it off the wheels that are on the bulkhead. To release the dryer belt, you're going to have to reach both arms under. Take the tensioner pulley and you move it towards your left side to relieve tension, and then unloop the belt from the tensioner pulley. To make sure the belt doesn't get snagged on anything, remove the drum by lifting up on the belt. Here you can see the damaged wheels. This one doesn't turn at all and it's flat on one side, and this one barely turns. They both have to be replaced. We're going to use a 17mm wrench to hold a nut in place that's on the back side of this metal sheet here. And we're going to take an adjustable wrench, put it on the front notch of the wheel, and turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. You'll find a washer and a nut on the back side. When installing the new wheel, you'll need a washer on the front side and a washer and a nut for the back side. Hold the new wheel in place by hand and then put a washer on and then put the nut on and tighten that by hand before grabbing your wrenches. Hold the back side nut in place with your 17mm wrench and get your adjustable wrench and turn it clockwise to tighten on the front. This is the front bulkhead. There's 2 wheels that need replacing here as well. This is a little bit easier because you have the sheet metal removed and you can get your wrenches in on both sides. Four of these wheels all together. Remove all 4 and replace them as shown in the video. My name is Mark. I'm with Appliance Repair American. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or any advice to give me. Please leave that thumbs up and subscribe.